Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, EasyEngineering64. In today's video, we are going to look at the previous year and model question papers of computer networks. If you want the PDF, make sure to join our Telegram channel. You'll also find answer videos there. The Telegram link is given in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Also, join our WhatsApp group to stay updated. Alright guys, let's get into the question papers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's jump right into the video.